What if your notes could become a podcast, a narrated slideshow, a data analysis workspace, and even a short video without forcing you to rebuild everything from scratch? That's the direction Google is taking with NotebookLM, which is becoming Gemini Notebook. And this is more than a new name. Google is connecting one of its most useful research tools to the broader Gemini ecosystem, Google Search, and new capabilities that could change how you learn, work, and turn information into useful content. So what actually changes for you? Why is Google making this move now? And what does Gemini Notebook reveal about the future of AI productivity apps? Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to know which AI feature would make Gemini Notebook genuinely useful for your work, studies, or business. Let's start with the basic announcement. Google is renaming NotebookLM to Gemini Notebook. But the product itself is not simply disappearing. Google is positioning it as a dedicated research and learning environment that can connect more deeply with the rest of its AI ecosystem. That distinction matters. A general chatbot can answer questions across thousands of subjects, but NotebookLM was designed around the information you provide. You could upload documents, research papers, class notes, meeting transcripts, or other sources, and then ask questions based on that material. Instead of giving you a generic answer, the tool tries to stay grounded in your selected sources. That made NotebookLM especially useful for students, researchers, business owners, and professionals who needed to understand a specific collection of information. The product originally appeared at Google I/O under the codename Project Tailwind. Its original promise was simple: give you an AI assistant that could organize notes, make sense of research, and generate useful summaries. Since then, Google has continued adding new capabilities. You can use your notes to generate summarized audio conversations, create narrated slideshows, and produce short-form video-style explanations. Think about what that means in practice. Suppose you have a 50-page research report. Traditionally, you might read the entire document, highlight important sections, write your own summary, and then create a presentation if you needed to explain the information to someone else. That process can take hours. With Gemini Notebook, you could use the report as a source, ask for the central themes, generate an audio explanation for your commute, and create a narrated slideshow for your next meeting. You still need to review the output, but the distance between reading information and communicating it becomes much shorter. That is the important shift. Your notes are no longer just something you store and revisit later. They become raw material for multiple formats. One research project can become a study guide, a podcast-style briefing, a presentation, a social media script, or a short video. And that brings us to the bigger question. Why does Google want the Gemini name attached to this product? Gemini is becoming Google's main AI identity. It represents the company's family of AI models and its broader push to integrate artificial intelligence into search, productivity tools, mobile experiences, and business workflows. When Google places NotebookLM under the Gemini brand, it signals that the company sees notebooks as more than isolated document folders. Google says Gemini Notebook will sync across the Gemini app and the standalone Gemini Notebook experience. The company also says notebooks are expected to become available inside AI mode and search. For you, that could eventually create a more connected research workflow. You might begin by collecting sources in Gemini Notebook, continue asking questions through the Gemini app, and then access relevant information while searching for related topics. Instead of treating your research as a static group of documents, you could treat it as an active knowledge base. That could lead to smarter recommendations, more context-aware suggestions, and a smoother transition from brainstorming to action. But there is an important detail here. Gemini Notebook will remain a standalone app. That is good news if you prefer a focused workspace. Not everyone wants research notes mixed into one massive AI interface. A dedicated notebook can make it easier for you to separate projects, control your sources, and understand where each answer is coming from. The standalone experience also reinforces the product's original identity. This is not only a chatbot, it is a workspace built around your information. So why is Google making this move now? Because we are all drowning in data. You have documents, emails, meeting transcripts, spreadsheets, research articles, class notes, and shared files. The problem is no longer finding information. The problem is understanding it quickly enough to make a decision. That is where Google believes the next generation of productivity tools will compete. The future of productivity may not be about helping you write one email faster. It may be about helping you understand an entire collection of information faster. Microsoft has already integrated Copilot into products such as Word and Excel. OpenAI continues expanding its tools for research and knowledge work. Google has powerful advantages in search, workspace, and cloud infrastructure. Gemini Notebook gives Google a way to connect those advantages around a more specialized research experience. Here's what a real business workflow could look like. Imagine you're preparing a launch strategy for a new product. You collect customer interviews, competitor research, internal brainstorming notes, and a market analysis report. You add those sources to Gemini Notebook. First, you ask the tool to summarize the market opportunity. Then you ask it to identify repeated customer complaints across the interviews. Next, you request a comparison of your competitors, including their strengths, weaknesses, and positioning. After that, you generate an audio briefing so you can review the findings while commuting. You create a narrated slideshow for your team meeting. Finally, you turn the strongest insights into short educational videos or social media posts. The benefit is not just convenience. You spend less time juggling tabs, copying information, formatting documents, and rebuilding the same ideas for different audiences. You spend more time deciding what the information actually means. That is why the new code and data analysis capabilities could be especially important. Google is giving notebooks access to a secure cloud computer that allows Gemini Notebook to write and execute code inside the notebook. You do not have to be a professional developer to benefit from that. Suppose you upload a spreadsheet containing sales numbers, customer feedback, or operational data. Instead of asking for only a written summary, you could ask Gemini Notebook to calculate trends, identify unusual patterns, create charts, or compare different customer segments. For a business owner, that could turn raw data into a clearer decision-making tool. For a researcher, it could help test a hypothesis. For a student, it could make a dataset easier to explore. But this is also where human oversight becomes essential. AI-generated analysis can contain mistakes. The code may use an incorrect assumption. A chart may include the wrong data range. A conclusion may sound confident while still being incomplete. So the best workflow is not to accept every result automatically. Use Gemini Notebook to accelerate the first pass. Then verify the calculations, inspect the source data, and make the final decision yourself. AI is not magic. It's engineering, product discipline, and relentless execution. The same principle applies to the entire product. Gemini Notebook could make research faster, but the quality of your results will still depend on the quality of your sources and the clarity of your questions. You should also think carefully about privacy. The deeper these tools become connected to Google's ecosystem, the more convenient they may become. But you also need to understand how your information is handled. Before uploading sensitive business documents, confidential customer information, or private personal material, review the relevant privacy settings and policies. Convenience is valuable, control is valuable too. So is Gemini Notebook just NotebookLM with a new logo? Not really. The rename connects Google's research tool to a much larger Gemini strategy. It points toward notebooks that can move across the Gemini app, Google Search, and more AI-powered workflows. It also shows how one source can become multiple outputs: audio, presentations, data analysis, videos, and practical summaries. For you, the biggest benefit is simple. Information can become useful more quickly, but you still need to provide good sources, ask precise questions, verify important outputs, and decide what action should come next. The hype cycle rewards noise. The market rewards outcomes. Gemini Notebook will be valuable if it helps you understand faster, communicate more clearly, and make better decisions. Not simply because Google gave NotebookLM a new name. So what would you want Gemini Notebook to create from your notes? A podcast, a presentation, a data analysis, or a complete workflow for your business? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Wait, don't go yet. Make sure to check out the related video in the corner for even more ways AI is reshaping productivity apps. See you in the next one. Stay smart, stay curious.